Okay, final answer for phase 5 practice. If you got -5 plus or minus radical 13 all over 6, then you're ready for your homework. Thanks for hanging with me today. I'm going to go through and go step by step through this problem to make sure that you're comfortable with it. There is not a phase 5 question on your homework, but it's still good to know how to do it for that upper level understanding. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to take this constant and move it to the right. This is going to be a positive moving into a negative. So this should be a -1. Then what we're going to do is we are going to divide everything through by that coefficient of a. That's going to lead us to something a little bit messier. The 3's cancel here, and you're left with x squared plus 5/3 x equals -1/3. At this point, we would start the complete the square process, which means we would take the b term, which is 5/3, and we would have to take half of that. And remember, taking half means multiplying by 1/2 or dividing by 2. Multiply by 1/2. So this top times top is 5, and bottom times bottom is 6. This is half of 5/3. Don't forget that we need to square that when we complete the square. So I'm going to do 5 times 5 is 25. 6 times 6 is 36. So this is 25/36, and that's what's going on both sides of the equal sign. Now I'm physically going to complete the square. I'm going to make my square term. I'm going to have x plus, and this is the 5/6. This is what goes over here. Okay. On this side, I have to get a common denominator. My common denominator for 3 and 36 is 36. I'm going to take 3 and multiply top and bottom by 12. That's going to give me -12/36 plus 25/36. And when I add those two together, that's going to give me 13, positive 13/36. Now I'm ready for square root. Don't forget your plus and minus. Square root function says that when you square a square root, the inverse, whatever's underneath comes out. So this should be x plus 5/6. Sorry, the paper's here. X plus 5/6 equal sign plus or minus. The 13 stays a radical. Square root of 36 though, radical 36 is 6. Same denominator. I just need to bring that 5/6 over by subtracting to get x by itself. X equals -5 plus or minus square root of 13 all over 6. Okay, you guys are done. Contact me with questions and make sure that you complete your 4 questions for homework. You need all this work shown. All right? Good luck.